Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Good morning, one and all. Sage with you today. Thanks for joining us on Kalkine TV. We've got the ASX buzzing stocks for the day to share with you. Hopefully the day in trading's going well. And today we'll take a look at these ASX listed stocks because of the announcements they've made. Now, as you know, there's several announcements made on the ASX every day, probably too many that one person could read on their own. So we've picked 5 for you today, or a few of them for you today, but they're going to be coming out throughout the day. So do keep an eye on the ASX website if you are interested in finding out more. But beginning with Premier Investments. Today they've announced its 2022 financial year results. The operator of a range of specialty retail fashion chains recorded Premier Retail 2022 financial year sales of $1.5 billion, while statutory net profit after tax is up 4.9% on 2021's financial year. Its retail gross margin of 64.8% is up by 52 base points from the 2021 financial year. And Premier Investments has announced final, fully franked ordinary dividend of 54 cents per share and special fully franked dividend of 25 cents per share, taking the total fully franked dividends for the full year to a decent 125 cents per share, which is up by 56.3% on 2021's financial year. Great news coming in from Premier Investments to their investors today. And the shares of Premier Investments traded at 22 Australian dollars 10 cents. They're up by 6.92%. Next up, we've got Australian financial software company Iress. They've announced that against a backdrop of challenging macro conditions, it is experiencing some timing delays to the conversion of new sales opportunities, which are expected to impact its 2022 financial year guidance. There have been some higher than anticipated supplier costs, largely in technology and in part driven by foreign exchange rates on USD pricing. Iress has downgraded its financial 2022 report for profit guidance to be between $166 million and $170 million on a constant currency basis, against prior guidance reports between $177 million and $183 million. And the shares of Iress today were down by 18.63% and they were trading at $8 Australian dollars 56 cents. Let's move on to the next. AVITA Medical today announced the appointment of James Corbett as the Chief Executive Officer, joining the C-suite effective immediately. Australian medical technology company said that Corbett, who has served as a non-executive member of the board of directors, will continue as an executive member of the board of directors of AVITA Medical. James Corbett has nearly 40 years of experience in the life sciences field, having served as CEO of multiple publicly traded companies, and today AVITA Medical shares traded at $1 Australian dollar 74 cents, being up by 2.97%. Moving on to the next, AGL, who needs no introduction, the energy provider, today announced that it targets to complete its exit from coal-fired generation by the end of 2035's financial year. Great news coming in from the company. And they've accelerated its transition to an integrated low carbon energy leader. It targets closure date of Loy Yang Power Station nearly 10 years earlier than previously announced. AGL's annual greenhouse gas emissions are expected to reduce from 40 million tonnes to net zero on achieving targeted closure. And meanwhile, the company today also provided guidance for its 2023 financial year underlying earnings. The energy giant expects underlying EBITDA of between $1.25 billion and $1.45 billion, an underlying profit after tax of between $200 and $320 million. Shares of AGL Energy today traded down by 0.30% at $6 Australian dollars 58 cents. Now, hopefully you're getting most of this. Now, if you miss any part of it, don't worry. This whole report will be up on Kalkine Media's YouTube channel later on today, so do check it out there. Lastly, West Australian lithium company Global Lithium Resources today announced it has signed a non-binding memorandum of understanding with leading Korean battery manufacturer SK On to explore a range of future business opportunities. And SK On is one of the fastest growing battery manufacturers in the industry, with battery production facilities operating in countries including the US, China, Hungary and Korea. Global Lithium Resources and SK On intend to explore future business opportunities, including the potential development of downstream integrated battery-grade lithium assets for an initial 2-year period. And the shares of Global Lithium Resources today traded at $2.36. They were up by 9.77%. Thanks so much for your company on that report. Do keep it locked on Kalkine TV, but that's all for the ASX buzzing stocks for the day for today. But we'll make sure we have another episode ready for you tomorrow. This is Sage signing off for now.